Some time ago, I took my old router tabletop and repurposed it as a raised work platform that locks into place using the tail vise on my workbench. Already having the hole in the centre made it ideal for precision-guided jigsaw control. The hole also provides the jigsaw blade a void to enter. Simultaneously, the void's surroundings support the targeted blade attack entirely, giving me greater control, especially when it comes to more detailed material detachment and release. In this video, I'll construct the inevitable dust extraction upgrade. Here I'm using the driver tip to indicate previously fitted locators that were installed to this block. For me, this represents trouble-free repositioning insurance. As I mentioned earlier, the block I just reattached is locked into place using the tail vise on my workbench, holding the platform firmly in position. And now it's time to subject this cutting board to a test and see if the dust extraction works. To intensify this cutting display, I've magnified the action centre of this footage, allowing you to actually witness the sawdust as it is seized mid-flight, its trajectory redirected and sucked into the void. It's not perfect, but it is a substantial improvement. Originally, this platform was my router tabletop. I've made a few additions and now it has multiple applications. Allow me to go through the checklist of features. Sturdy elevated platform? Check. Easy access to detailed jigsaw work? Check. Work holding options? Check. Replaceable sacrificial ring? Check. Sawdust removal and containment? Check. Hang on a second, I'm not done yet. Just one more addition. Although it's more of a subtraction.